Put 25 grams of butter in, as so, and 25 grams of sugar in. Then you must cube it up, as you can see in the video. And yeah. Now use a mixer and mix it up. Do it until it looks like this. Now put a yolk in and mix it. Now get a cup of flour and dump it on top. Uh-oh, my spatula broke. Hope this will do. After mixing, this should be your end result. Now put it in a bag. Now put the crumbly things in this shape and let it cool down. In that time, please subscribe, like and share this video. Now put some cream cheese and mascarpone cheese, 115 grams each. Don't forget to put an extra 50 grams of unsalted butter. Now get 80 milliliters of A4 milk. Put it on the stove and try to melt it on the stove. Remember to mix it well. Hope this is gonna be your end result. Sift 30 grams of icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Sift it again to make it smoother. Put some cling wrap on top to cool it down and wait. Now cut out the thing from before and put it in molds and spread it out, just like the top one. Poke some holes at the bottom with a fork. Put it in the oven for 160 to 170. It should look like this when you've taken it out. Now put the filling in. As you can see, some of mine have burnt as well. So, yeah. But it's also tasty. Brush some egg on top of it. Now put it in the oven again for 15 minutes. And there you have it.